guys? Welcome to the channel. Right here is the 2018 Chevy Trax. Before you guys leave this house, please support the channel, guys. Support the channel. Anyways, this is the 2018 Chevy Trax. I'm gonna show you guys how to take off this trim panel, this handle, and that mirror. Okay? Let's get to it. Down here you're gonna see a circular clip. Go ahead and pick up that circular clip. Use your flathead. Pick it up. Inside the hole is a number 7. That's what it looks like, guys. A number 7. It's right down there, right in this hole. Go ahead and take it out. That's what it looks like. Number 7. Take it out of there. You're gonna hold out this handle and pop out that tab inside of there. Pop the tab out. Pop it out. Inside there is the same thing. Number 7. Take it out. Use your flathead and put it right between the groove of this controller and pop it out of there. Go ahead and take it loose. That's how you do that. Take it out. Use the same flathead. Put it in the groove, guys. Grab it in there. And you're gonna pull it forward away from the door. Just like that. Open it up. Now we're gonna go up with it. Now we're gonna go ahead and loosen the wire. We're gonna pull this back and up. Take it out. Bam. That's how you take that out, guys. Pretty simple. Okay, now we're gonna take out the mirror next, and then we're gonna do the handle last. The guy first thing first, the plastic. Alright, peel it back. You guys see this harness right here? Unplug it, cause that is the harness for the mirror. Unplug it. The red tab, you're gonna push the red tab up and push the black tab in and unplug it. Now you're gonna push this rubber through here, just like that, and take it out. See, it comes out. Now, there's 3 nuts inside there, guys. There's 3 nuts. You can't miss them. You're going to take them out of there, one by one. It's a number 10 as well, number 10. That's what it looks like. Take them out. Those are the nuts that's holding the mirror onto the door. That's 2. Now, when you guys go to take out the last nut, go ahead and hold the mirror with your right hand and take it out. Take it out. Be careful that you don't drop the nut down inside the door. So I advise you to loose the nut some and then use your hand to take it off. Now that we got the nuts out there, we're gonna comes right out. I see you do that. Comes out. Now we're gonna take out that handle. Go ahead and peel back this piece. There's a wire. That's how we're gonna take that wire loose. I'm gonna show you guys how to take it loose. Okay guys, in order to take this wire loose, this tab on top of here, you're gonna push the stab down. Cause what the stab does, it goes between the white clip and open it up. And once you guys push down the black tab in the middle of the white tab, go ahead and pull out this plug at the same time. Okay? See? Push it down. Push it out. Remember, you gotta keep the pressure on it while you pull out the wire at the same time. Now it's time to take out the handle, but we had to do this first. This is the first step. Actually, this is the first step. You gotta take this back. Second step. Now the third step. Third step, we're gonna take this piece out of here. And the fourth step, guys see that screw? You gotta get that screw loose. And this is complicated. I'm gonna show you guys now. By the way, guys, that screw inside there, that's a T20, guys. The star tip, 5-point T20. Now, guys, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna turn the screw to the left. Listen to me, but it is tricky. We're gonna turn the screw to the left. Don't worry about the screw falling down inside the door, because they have a clip that holds the screw in place. Turn it to the left. Listen, you're gonna hold this handle out while you turn the screw to the left. Hold it out.
That's the reason that I'm trying to you guys never did last time. That didn't come out of my mind. You guys probably didn't have to have. That's me, yeah.
Put your fly head. In the groove, take it out. That piece comes right out. Now we're going to turn this screw back to the right. Listen to me, turn it back to the right. You're going to see the piece inside there moving. You're gonna see it moving. No, it's clear. You're gonna see it. It's clear away from the handle. Hold the handle out. Hold it. Turn it back to the left. Turn it back to the left. See, it stops in place right there. The handle does not go all the way in. It stops right there. Now, take it out. Comes right out. That's why we take the piece loose first. Now, if this handle was to go back all the way in, then you guys have to pull this stab out. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. But anyways, that's how you take it out. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. The reason why we turned the handle back in, guys, see this piece right here? That's the piece that you guys will see moving. Now, what that does, it holds this hook right here. You guys see this hook? That's the hook that the handle goes behind. That's the hook that open the door. So what this does is that hold that piece in place. Okay, now if the handle was to snap in on you, you guys have to use a wire or something and hold back this wire and put the handle inside it. That's what you gotta do. Exactly what I told you. Now, when you guys put back the handle inside there, you're gonna turn it to the left. You're gonna put back the handle inside there. and turn it back to the right. That's how you do that. Okay guys, that is how you take the door apart. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget to support the channel. I'm out of here.